Hey everybody, this is my free homework pass that I got a long time ago. It says homework pass, and it says the certificate entitles you to 1 night free of homework. See? And that's my name. 1411. See, I got that a long time ago. And this is Worth, my teacher. So yeah, this is my free homework pass. And these are mini American flags that I had to use for a school project. And that school project was Famous Hoosiers. Do you know Famous Hoosiers? Mine was Benjamin Harrison. And this is my old iPod. But I have an iPod Touch now, so I don't need this. But I can still works and stuff. This is my cousin Caleb. That's a picture of him. He's kind of old now. No, he's like high school freshman or something. And so yeah, and I think this is a nickel. So yeah, oh yeah, I have this candy cane pen I got for Christmas from my teacher. Oh yeah, and this is a wristband. And this is a picture. My dad's a referee for football and stuff, and this is a picture with him and his buddies. Here. No. That's him. No. Okay. This is my dad. Yeah. Isn't he so ugly? And then this is his old wallet. But he got a new one. There's some free cash in it. So bye!